Are you a content creator that's always on the go? Are you looking for a tripod that will fit your active lifestyle and help you always achieve the perfect shot? Hi, I'm Caitlin and this is the Benro PP1 Pocket Pod Tabletop Tripod. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to tap that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest products. This Benro Pocket Pod Tripod is the perfect travel accessory. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, and it can be used either as a tabletop tripod or a hand grip. There are 3 legs, and each leg has 2 grooves to give you a better, more comfortable, and secure grip when you're using it as a hand grip. It's made of high-quality plastic, has non-slip rubber feet, and an all-metal ball. The integrated ball head has a 1/4 20-inch screw and lets you shoot both horizontal and vertical, which is super helpful in today's day and age since a lot of video is going vertical. To lock your position, all you have to do is twist this locking ring. The Pocket Pod weighs less than half a pound, but can support up to 3.3 pounds, which means you can use it with your phone, your GoPro, or even your DSLR camera. One quick thing to note, if you are using it with your phone, you'll need a separate phone mount accessory to screw it on. This tripod really is the perfect accessory for your content creation needs. If you have any other questions about the Benro PP1 Pocket Pod, please reach out to us by phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. We're always happy to help. So, what are you going to create next? I'll see you next time.